Lesson is a beautiful, simple song, kind of interesting, from one of my favorite guys, Ben Harper. Love Ben Harper, love almost everything he does. If you want to listen to a really, really great debut album, listen to Ben Harper's Welcome to the Cruel World. It's just... Anywho, this is not from that album. This is a song called Dance Like Fire. And I wanted to do this today because I was running through it the other day, and there's a couple of things about it that make it really nice and interesting, apart from the fact that it's a really beautiful little song. It's in drop D tuning, and I came across also a recording of Ben Harper doing it solo, and I'll put the link below, and he plays it on a small body guitar and it sounded really nice. So hence I'm using my small body classical guitar because I think it sounds pretty nice. So in drop D tuning, which means you take your bottom E string down to D, leave everything else as it is, then put a capo on the 3rd fret. So what you get is this really nice tuning. And for all intents and purposes, I'm going to say it's in the key of D, even though we know that when you take a D and you move it up 3 frets, you're actually in the key of F. And if our open E string is tuned to D, and then we lift it up 3 frets, that gets it to an F. So you play an open D chord with this tuning and this capo on the 3rd fret, and you've got a really beautiful sounding F chord. However, all the chords that I'm going to talk about are according to their shape here, otherwise it gets kind of confusing. So he starts by playing the open D followed by the open A string, and then lands on the first beat on an A7 sus4 chord, or an A7 sus chord, which is your A7 chord, that one, with a sus4 in it. Then we move to an E minor 7, but the beautiful thing about this is that he plays an E minor 7 without the bottom E string, which is actually a D now anyway, as we just talked about. But it doesn't matter if you accidentally play that bottom E string, it still sounds good. But this little hammering riff that he does on this A string from the 0 to the 2 is a lot more effective and it's a lot more clear if you don't have that bottom E string ringing. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, to not play that bottom E string, I'm using my thumb here because I'm a finger strummer. But you can also muffle it with your thumb up here. You can just not play it, or whatever way you like, but you don't want to hear that E string. When he goes from the D, right, so he goes A7 sus, E minor 7 without the bass, a little riff to a D chord, goes back to that E minor 7 riff just briefly at the end of that bar, and then back to the D. When he goes back to that, that's the chord that you're on, E minor 7 again. Right, so I'll play through that line again. I've done it a few times, but it's a really, really nice sounding line. That's the chorus. If we could dance like fire, never get burned, never get burned. If we could dance like fire, never get burned. The verse. So the verse starts on B minor, and remember these chords are as they look, not as they sound. This, for example, is a D minor, because putting a bar chord ahead of a capo actually makes no difference at all to what the capo does to the guitar. There's your bar chord. It's a D minor, right? On your chart, it's a B minor. We start with the B minor for the verse, then the D, then we go to a D over A, which is this C over G slid up 2 frets. And he quite often, at least on the acoustic version, hello Floyd, at least on the acoustic version, he quite often slides up into that D over A. So you slide from on your capoed guitar, you slide from your 3rd fret E string up to your 5. That's where you start your D over A chord, right? So B minor, D, sliding up to D over A, back to D. Do it again. This time, we pass through a little A chord on the way to the D. And then from the D over A, down to a C over G, same shape, just slid down 2 frets. And that is your finishing chord on the D. That's your verse, right? B minor, D, D over A, D. B minor, A, D, D over A, C over G, D. If we could dance like fire, never get burned, never get burned. If we could dance like fire, never get burned, never get burned. Verse and the chorus repeats. Then it goes into the break section. So the break section starts on the D over A to the D, then D over A down to C over G to D. Right? Next time through, it does this 3 times. Again, one more. Into the chorus. If we could dance like fire, never get burned. And that chorus just doubles out and finishes on the D. Fantastic song. Beautiful song once again from Ben Harper. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. It's a pretty quick lesson, but it's a simple but really pretty and interesting song once you start messing around with capos and drop D tunings. And anyway, see you next time.